person pushes a box on a rough horizontal platform surface. He applies a force of 200 Newton over a distance of 15 meters. Thereafter, he gets progressively tired and his applied force reduces linearly with distance to 100 Newton. The total distance through which the box has been moved is 30 meters. What is the work done by the person during the total movement of the box? We can solve this question through a figure. The force is on the y-axis in Newton and the displacement is on the x-axis in meter. The box is moved at 200 Newton till 15 meters. Then the force decreases progressively linearly to 100 newtons till 30 meters. Work done is force into displacement, so the total work done will be the area of ABCEO, which is the area of trapezium ABCD plus the area of rectangle ODCE, which is half into AB plus CD, which is 45, into the height, which is 100, plus base into height, which is 100 into 30, which gives us 5250 joules. So the correct answer is option 2.